One thing that I really like about her, I think she's passionate. That's really good. It helps a lot. She knows what to do, when to do, and she's really nice. Nice to me, nice to animals, nice to everyone around her. So I really love that.
And full of energy, full of originality. She's a one-woman circus actually. Full entertainment, paisa vasool.
I think we've grown a lot together, right? We were 20 when we started dating, and now we're like wrapping up our, basically we've wrapped up our entire 20s together. We basically like little kids, pretty much. We just like, pulling each other's leg all the time, basically just being kids all the time.
I just knew Akshay only for a very short period of time. He's good with the people around, so I think he will do very well in his life tours, right? So whatever aspects he deals with, he will do fine.
It's been a fabulous 8 years that we've spent together. We've spent a lot of time remotely as well, in a long distance. I can't wait to spend it now in person together.
तो हम लोगों की तैयारियां ये समझिए आपकी सेम डे से ही स्टार्ट हो गई थी जिस दिन इसने बताया था.
Both Isha and Akshay, I think they are kind of a great match.
They
for
make a
each other.
beautiful couple.
We've had our vows like very early on. We actually did, share some vows with each other very soon into us starting to date. There isn't any expectation other than being who he is already. I think just continuing to do that, continuing to be by my side, and I think just there are good days and there are bad days, and to just keep holding me and not freak out even if things are really, really tough, and I'm going to try to do the same. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, we are very proud of our genetic combination.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, both of us. Well done.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, गिरने हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी. जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आहा यूं ही आया एक ख्याल है.
Isha, she is very fun-loving but very sensitive.
Isha is a perfect example. She was the smallest, the youngest in our family,
She's the baby of the family.
and she was the baby. And lo, one fine day, she is a lady, and she has a very mature personality.
जो भी कल तक बस आरज़ू, आहा वो ही पा गए हैं मैं और तू. आहा थामे हम हाथों में यूं ही हाथ, शहर दिल में घूमेंगे साथ. तेरी हो तो है जिंदगी, सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। पलते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है।
There was a photo that popped up on Instagram and I was like, who is this person? And she said, he's the cat dad. And so that's how I know, the father of Smokey and Snowy.
Lots of love, and I mean, welcome to Akshay, to our crazy family, and you know, to just.
Good luck, Akshay.
Oh yeah, good luck with us.
अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की अब है ये किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
एक दिन हम लोग बैठे हुए थे ऐसे ही बातचीत कर रहे थे, तो अक्षय ने एकदम से बोला कि पापा मैं आपको एक सरप्राइज़ दूँ। मैं कहा दीजिए। तो जैसे ही अक्षय ने हमें बेटी की फ़ोटो दिखाई तो हमें उस फ़ोटो में ही जो है ना अपनी बेटी पसंद आ गई।
गहरा इश्क है पिया, ओ पिया, गहरा धीमी धीमी हवा तेरी उड़ने लगी, हस्ती मेरी ओ खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क, डूबा डुबका गहरा इश्क, गहरा इश्क इन ख्यालों को ओढ़ लूं मैं।
I love you a lot, and like I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
खुशबू खुशबा महका इश्क, डूबा डुबका गहरा इश्क।
You know, I love you to infinity and forever. Like that's what I keep saying, and I guess I'll say that again. Like officially.
मेरा दीन तू, ईमान तू, मेरा ताज राज अभिमान तू, मेरा दिल भी तू, मेरी जान भी तू, मेरा सब है तू, मेरा रब है तू। मेरा दीन तू, ईमान तू, मेरा ताज राज अभिमान तू, मेरा दिल भी तू, मेरी जान भी तू, मेरा सब है तू, मेरा रब है तू।